Hey guys, it's been a minute since we've kind of been on here, but we're gonna try and come back and do better this time, and hopefully we'll stay consistent with it on this one. But hopefully we'll be consistent this time, and it's kind of gloomy and whatnot. Who's that? Who's that? Ooh. And this is the new addition to the family. See, I'm 4 months old. I'm 4 months old. We got Mama Bear, she's getting ready at the moment, and we got the first one, she's ready. It's kind of a gloomy, rainy day. We're gonna see how the day goes. It's kind of got everybody kind of just down, just kind of drowsy, gloomy. It sucks, I hate rainy days.
What are you talking about? I'm in a good mood.
Okay, I lied. Apparently, Mama Bear's in a good mood. Look at that.
Wait.
Say hey. Say hey.
Hey.
So I think we're just gonna go do a little bit of shopping and kind of see how today. It feels like that. It's not gonna stay.
Look, it's staying.
That's just the most candiest one.
I was like, what the heck is that thing?
Did you get it?
Yeah,
Get the stuff?
Yeah, I got the stuff.
The stuff. You still want to go shopping?
I mean, we kind of don't have a choice. We done drove so far.
You wanna go shopping?
She did like a silent nod.
Say hi. Hi. Pretty girl.
So I'm not used to having a camera pointed at me.
Let's see if I can figure out how to zoom this thing in. See Lulu.
You got your seatbelt on, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's blurry. How do you make it not blurry? Oh, there he is.
Focus.
Oh, look at the baby. She's sleeping.
Safe driving, 2 hands on the wheel. Technically, I think the hands are supposed to be at 10 and 2.
Uh-huh.
Right now, I'm at like 7 and 4.
You can't really tell on camera, but it's really pouring right now.
Every day for the past 2 months, it's been rain.
Yeah.
Gotta love Georgia.
It's either pouring down rain one season, and then the next season it's like drought.
Summertime, it's nothing but a drought. Wintertime, it's rain all the time.
Yeah.
All the time.
Haven, how old are you?
D.
Good job. Oh, yep, good job.
I'm okay with snow, but I prefer, sands and water.
So what are we doing right now?
Driving through the lake.
No, we're going to the store.
Oh yeah.
We gotta exchange some clothes because they didn't fit, and then we're going to Target.
We gotta go to Plato's Closet Island first.
Island.
That's practically what it is. Look at the road. All this water washing up in there.
It's really hard to tell, but yep, there's some splashes. I'm hungry again. I just ate.
Splashy Waddy.
You hear me?
Yeah, you're hungry again. You just ate. See if I can get some more Splashy Waddy.
Oh my gosh.
Here we go. Whee! Whee!
Whoa. Okay, we're done with Plato's Closet. And it's like 90 degrees hotter, I swear. I'm sweating. And it stopped raining, finally.
You know what they say? Sun's out, guns out.
Oh my god, stop.
Don't like look at the shirt flapping down, okay? Wait. Yeah.
Can I say hi?
Hi.
We all took our jackets off except for Ivan, who's still wearing his sweater. I'm pretty much sweating though. The rain stopped and the sun came out and it was so much hotter. But now we're heading to Target. Target. Alright, we're done with Target. That was very interesting.
I messed up.
So we went to go return some sleepers because they were the wrong size for Willow. And we wanted a bigger size. And so we went ahead and picked out the sleepers. And we forgot the old ones in the car. So I had to go get them. And whenever I came back, Ivan accidentally bought the new ones. So whenever we went to go exchange them, it was just a whole ordeal trying to exchange
you can't even
them.
Explain it.
Yeah, it was just really confusing. And I think we confused the girl at the customer service. So I felt really bad for her. But I think we got it all figured out, and I think she gave us like a little bit of a discount too. So we got it worked out.
We're gonna get some sushi.
What, baby? You say hey? Cheese. Could see Willow in the mirror. Hello.
Hello.
So now we're going to get sushi.
Sushi.
Because we overexerted our minds.
Sushi.
We'll see how that goes.
Hey guys, sorry to get back to you so late. Everyone's exhausted and we're tired. It's been a long day. But Mama Bear and the two cubs have already gone to bed, and it's just me right now. I'm just gonna end it right here, and looking forward to seeing you guys again. See you.